This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
PCV valve replacement. Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Raise the hood upwards. Remove the oil filler cap, then pull off the right side engine cover and reinstall the filler cap. Separate the PCV hose from the intake manifold, then remove the PCV valve from the end of the hose. Install the PCV valve into the hose, then connect the hose and valve to the intake manifold. Install the right engine cover, clicking it securely in place, then install the oil filler cap.